So good morning. This morning I'm working on pulling this old rocker out. So I don't know if you can see this yet. So I've started it, got it cut up here, got it cut down here. I'm just basically cutting the structure out of it so that when I go to peel it up, it doesn't have that force on it. I find that it comes up easier when I do this, so that, you know, the strength of the unity of everything makes it a lot harder to push the stuff out. So I don't want to deform this rocker or this extension or anything when I want getting this out of here. So I'm trying to be careful, but that's my goal today. Sunday is to get in here and get that rocker removed. So I'm going to get after it, and I'll get back with you in a few minutes. Yeah, so this rocker is really, really good out here. The inner rocker was junk, but the outer rocker looking really good. Yeah, we'll get in there and we'll get this a good coat of 415. Yeah, looking good. Well, as usual with these cars, when you start digging in and I gotta get myself so I can see, there you go, and start tearing them apart and open up stuff, yeah, you open up stuff. So like on this side where that part was cut out, I can see why they cut it out. So over here, you can see this rocker is in good shape all the way through it. Definitely savable, no problem. However, in this rocker extension right here, yeah, it's gone. So I'm gonna have to get a rocker extension ordered in here, because I'm already going to be up into this toe board and torque box and toe board in there, and I've got to continue. I can't leave this rod in there, so I've got to get that out of there. I'm working on getting this out back here now. Now I can peel this off after I've done that. I'll drill out some of these or grind them off, and then that'll come right out. But I'm going to have to cut this out right here and get a new panel. It's just the way it goes. One step forward, two steps back. Yeah. But like I said, that's fixing cars, these old cars. So you don't know till you dig into them. So here we go. I mean, this car looks really solid, but it's got some weak spots. So I just have to fix the weak spots and make great spots out of it. So here we go. Continue to tear it out. All right, so here we go. We've got a AMD package. That is my inner rocker for my Firebird. And then Danny's got some support brackets for his Cuda in here. So we're gonna open these up and see what we got. Just easier to rip it through. Okay, so when you become a car guy, there we go. When you become a car guy, when you get birthday presents and stuff, you like car parts. Thank you, Danny. Got my birthday present.